Hey guys, welcome to another episode of WEDiting. Today we're going to be talking all about audio shortcuts in Final Cut Pro. Hey guys, my name is Heather, and if this is your first time here and you enjoy watching videos about how you can edit your wedding films faster, be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Today we're going to be spending some time on Final Cut Pro talking all about my favorite audio keyboard shortcuts. If you're not using keyboard shortcuts to speed up your time in the editing room, right here, right now is the best time to start. So let's get started. Audio keyboard shortcut number 1. It is going to blow your mind. First, you need to highlight whatever audio clip that you want to use, and then you're going to use Control plus or Control minus, and it is going to bring the volume up for plus or down for minus by 1 dP, and it will do the whole entire audio clip without you having to drag it up or drag it down. This is probably the most commonly used tool in order to change audio clips from certain ranges up or down, but let me cover it. So if you hit R, it automatically makes the tool into the range tool, and how this is used is you select a range of the audio clip that you want to either move up or down without affecting any of the other audio. So here I go, I've selected a range, and then I could just move this particular part up or down, and it makes new keyframes, and it doesn't affect anything outside of that range. But now let's just say you want to add some key points and you don't necessarily want to use the range tool. This is one that you're going to love, and it's actually one that I just recently learned, and it is Alt Click. So wherever you want to put a keyframe, all you have to do is make sure that the actual audio clip is highlighted, and then hit the Alt button and then just click wherever you want a keyframe. Ta-da! And you don't have to use the R tool. The next keyboard shortcut is Control S. Control S attaches and deattaches the audio from the clip. This is very useful when you're doing J cuts or if you're doing L cuts. This next audio keyboard shortcut I actually discussed in my video keyboard shortcut film, which if you missed that video, be sure to check that one out. I'll leave a link up below and I'll put it down in the description box. That keyboard shortcut is Command T, and it will put a transition right on your audio clip. This one has been super useful when I edit vows and I want to put a transition in between the officiant saying the vows and the bride and groom saying their vows. My last audio keyboard shortcut is Command Shift 8. This one hides and reveals the audio meters. Guys, if you are not using your audio meters to edit your wedding films, you need to start using your audio meters. There's a lot that you may not be hearing depending on the speakers you're using or if you're using headphones, and the meters are going to tell you a lot, especially if you're peaking. So be sure to use your audio meters. If you missed my video keyboard shortcut video, there's one last thing that I want to be sure to tell you about, and that is the Button app. If you've never heard of the Button app, it is a great little app that will show you the shortcuts in just about any program that you're in, including Final Cut Pro. All you have to do is go to the App Store, search for Button Shortcuts, and this right here is the app. I've already downloaded. It is completely free, and it lives up here in the top part of your screen. And when you're in any program, including Final Cut Pro, all you have to do is go up here and it will show you all the shortcuts for that program. You can find shortcuts based off what you're trying to do, including tools, navigation, multicam, organization, audition, video editing, volume, and so much more. Once you're actually in the shortcuts for whatever you chose, let's say tools, you can mark the ones that are your favorite along with the ones that you already know. This app I've only begun to scratch the surface of, but it has been an amazing tool to teach me shortcuts that I had no idea even existed. Once again, it's completely free and I highly recommend that you download it. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, and if you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Before you leave, be sure to leave me a comment down below. I'd love to know that you're here, and I would love to know maybe what your favorite keyboard shortcut is. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe. And if you want to be notified next time I post a video just like this one, please be sure to turn on that notification bell. Thanks again for tuning in, and we will see you in the next video.